This is how you navigate and find charging stations from the main infotainment screen on your Polestar 3. So from the Google Maps, you'll actually select here this little charge icon there. This will load up all the nearest charging stations as well as their speed. You'll notice some that'll say super fast and very fast. This car specifically, all it really needs is actually fast. This goes up to 255 kilowatts. Super fast and very fast are all up to like 405, which is gonna be more of like your big trucks and things like that. You'll also notice what brand of station they are: Electrify America, ChargePoint, EVgo, as well as including Tesla superchargers. You'll also see some that'll say slow. The slow chargers are actually gonna be level 2 charging. That's usually gonna get you about 8 to 9 hours for a full charge, but they're also going to be a lot more inexpensive, if not free. Some places do offer free charging stations. You'll also notice this came up here, so if you were to search and if you were going to a destination, you kind of wanted to plan your route a little bit, you can go here, hit search this area, and it'll show you any charging stations that are in the area. Let's say you set a destination that's further than your active range. We can set a destination for Los Angeles. We'll select that. And you'll notice that first it showed that we had negative 73% upon arrival. So of course it recommended 2 charging stops. It's automatically going to select the most efficient route, meaning it's going to be right off the freeway. For example, like this one, right off the freeway. It's also going to tell you how long you would need to be there, as well as how long you would need to be at your next charging stop. This is automatically going to tell you to be there for the least amount of time to get you there with only 10% range, as it's trying to find the most efficient route to that destination. You could of course stay there longer and potentially avoid the second stop here. It just, according to the system, might not be the quickest way to get there. You can also adjust your charging stops here by selecting your route details, and you can also filter ones between different payments settings as well as different brands. You name it, you'll be able to find all of these ones, as well as Tesla superchargers, which I know a lot of people are interested in.